All right, guys, I have two views here of Livescope. On the top unit, that's Livescope in forward, the regular style. In the bottom, that's Livescope Perspective mode. I'm looking at sunken boat docks right here. You can see that you kind of get more of a overall picture with that perspective. And right here, you see what look like a few spawning beds. That's harder to pick up on regular forward mode. Perspective's great for that. Really gives you a lay of the land. What we have here is a sunken boat. I'm pointing to it on the perspective mode. Pretty easy to see what it is. When you look at it in the forward mode, it kind of lays it out, and you'll see in a later scene, you can see it a little better. But that perspective mode really makes it pop. This, I don't know if it's a kayak, a canoe, a little sailboat, Nessie, what it was exactly, but really hard to make out on the Livescope on top. Perspective mode on the bottom really makes it show up, you know, exactly what the shape is. And then if there's fish around it on perspective mode, there's none on this, but if you look behind it, you'd see dots, so you can actually see the fish. When you pair the two together, it really makes it so you can see everything. Here begins a boat. You can see how it shows up on Livescope. This one a little better, but it makes it really easy to see with perspective. You do note there's some interference. When you run two transducers like that, they interfere some, but I have all my filters shut off so I can see the max image, so that gives you a little bit more.